Federal judge's ruling has the family of Donovon Lynch pleased tonight. The family filed a $50 million lawsuit against the city of Virginia Beach after a police officer shot and killed Lynch last March. The city asked to dismiss the case, but a judge says it can move forward. Eugene Daniel joins us now with more on the court's decision.
Yeah, David, almost a year after Donovon Lynch's death, a vigil for him remains near the Virginia Beach oceanfront. Likewise, a federal judge says his family's lawsuit against the city can move forward.
The family of Donovon Lynch said they are, quote, very, very pleased with the ruling that lets their case against the city of Virginia Beach move forward. Last March, Virginia Beach police officer Solomon Simmons shot and killed Lynch. His father, Wayne Lynch, filed a $50 million lawsuit against Simmons and the city of Virginia Beach. It claims they violated Donovon's constitutional rights and that the city's failure to properly train its officers ultimately led to Donovon's death. Simmons and the city filed to have the case thrown out, saying the facts weren't there. But in a 25-page ruling this week, a federal judge said the family's argument is good enough to move forward.
There are a number of claims that are in this case, and the court has ruled, based on the governing case law and the facts that are pled in this complaint, that it is sufficient to move forward.
13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth says the case is still in the early stages.
I don't think you can necessarily read from this what is ultimately going to happen in the case, because the case hasn't been completely developed at this point.
The judge did make one change, agreeing with the city that Simmons shouldn't be sued in his official capacity as a police officer, but as an individual. In November, a special grand jury ruled Simmons acted in self-defense and found the shooting justified. He was not charged.
The judge said that Simmons should not be considered in his official capacity because the family is already suing the city, and the judge said that would be redundant. David.
All right, a spokesperson for the city of Virginia Beach said although it does not agree with the judge's decision, the city acknowledges the court's ruling and will move forward accordingly with defending the city's position at trial.